Thank you so much, everyone. So, yeah, as Anamika told, today we have Meghna ma'am's case study, and you can read the title, which is From Hopeless to Hopeful. So, this is exactly what Meghna ma'am's journey looks like. So, there was a point in her life because of her past injuries and her accident. There was no hope left for her. Uh, as per her health was considered, her gut health is there, her sleep is there, stress, anxiety, and also her hormonal cycle. So when we look at the journey, it actually tells us the story from hopeless to hopeful. So that's about the story. So she joined Wildfit in January 2025 with her husband. So she was not having a thought of joining, but then we had a word with her, and then she told me her surgery is there, wherein she had met with an accident recently, and after that she was not able to walk properly, and she was going through her physiotherapy sessions also. So when we spoke with her, we understood that there is a lot of issues going on with her, and that can be cured with nutrition, her fitness, and also counseling. So counseling did play an important role over here. So moving ahead to the next slide, which will tell us about the case more. So here is the profile detail. So she is a 36-year-old female. Her height is 155. The initial weight with to which we started in January was 78 kgs. Her weight in 6 months was 66.5 kgs. She lost total 12.5 kgs in 6 months, and now we are still continuing with her journey, wherein she's lost more than 17 to 18 kgs currently. Moving ahead to the next slide. This is a detailed client history. So, starting from her lifestyle, which was completely sedentary, her medical history has her surgery is there, her PCOD is there, that is her hormonal imbalance, her sleep, which was very poor, her energy levels were imbalanced, the amount of water intake what she had was also very less. The stress was at a higher range, so she also dealt with anxiety and a level of depression. And emotionally, she was very low when she joined. Her socializing capacity was also not there. So she used to withdraw from social events or uh, all of the meetups and all. So that is when we started her journey. Considering her digestive issues, she also faced with constipation, acidity, and bloating in the initial days. Moving ahead, we can see her BCF in the next slide. So the case conductors, I was her nutritionist and Semosh was her performance coach. So we had really practical approaches in her journey. So with the presentation, you'll understand what approaches we had. Moving to the next slide. Yeah. So we were not able to do her first BCA when she joined in January because there was a metal rod in her leg. That is the reason. So the first weight that you can see over here is 76, and the weight initially at the final stage was 65.6. So this is her parameters. Her weight also changed. There was a huge difference in her body fat percentage from 42.4 to 37.2, and her muscle mass, which is there, the excess glycogen that is there stored in the muscles, that has also dropped. Moving ahead, this is her fitness assessment. So she failed a lot of tests in the beginning. So you can have a look at the fitness assessment, and then we'll move ahead. Moving to the next slide, you can just see the fitness evaluation in this. Moving to the next slide, we'll directly go to the nutrition parameters. Yeah, overview of her nutrition. So it was a very simple meal plan what we planned for her. A major three meals. One light snack was also there, which supported her gut health, energy, her hormonal imbalances. We also added anti-inflammatory foods. We had complex carbohydrates because her HbA1c level was also one concern for us. And all of this summed up to a simple Maharashtrian food which was there available at our home. Moving to the next slide. Yeah. So when it comes to stress, we also focused on adding foods which will be helping her to calm her nervous system down and help her sleep more better way. Moving to the next slide. So that time she was not able to work very fast, but she had a walker and she used to at least work 10-15 minutes throughout the day so that she doesn't feel restricted to only her bedroom. So she used to start socializing, at least going out in the natural air. So initially the plan, as I mentioned, was very simple. It emphasized foods which helped her blood sugar stability, hormonal balances, which were easy for digestion. And despite of physical limitations, she remained very committed to whatever plan was suggested by me, and that improved her energy levels, that improved her health gradually in the first 2 months itself when she was there only for the mainline nutrition series. Moving ahead. Yeah. So as we discussed, primarily her energy dips, poor sleep, gut discomfort were the concerns. And as we transitioned to the mainline series, which is her exercise and her nutrition, that time we also saw that there are good changes in her, there are improvements in her body, a lot of changes. And after that, as we have, after every 10 sessions, we change the nutrition plan. That was also followed in her case. So there was prebiotics, probiotic inclusion, which helped her better her bloating, constipation, and acidity. They were infused water. That was basically our hydration strategy because uh, she had that feeling कि plain water है, I would not be able to have plain water throughout the day. So we started including infused water, which gave her a taste to that water and that helped us increase her water intake. Moving ahead to the next slide. So this is about the supplement stack. So we started with a basic supplementation stack because her B12 was very low. Her lipid profile was imbalanced. That is why we also had omega 3. Initial stage, I was aware about ZMA. So I added ZMA in her needs for her better recovery and sleep. And advanced fat loss whey protein, which also has herbs and fiber, was included in her meal plan at the initial stage. Moving to the next slide. So we had a change in the journey after her foundation level was done. So we continued with B12, T, omega. We also added inositol, vitamin C, Brahmi, Inafix's Livfix, which also helped us a lot for inflammation, and L-carnitine for the support. Moving ahead, you will see a detailed description of each supplement that was added. You can have a look on this and then we'll move ahead to the next slide. Can we go to the next slide? Yes. Next slide. So there are 5 slides which will explain you the complete supplementation stack. And currently we are only having 6 supplements which are necessary for her. Because of her medical conditions, there was inclusion of few supplements in the beginning, and then the stack kept changing. Moving to the next slide. Next. Okay, So this is about the supplements. You can also see that Brahmi was added, and Brahmi really helped her sleep much more better. Her anxiety was also reduced with a combination of Brahmi and magnesium. Her sugar cravings were reduced, and this is how she had a better improvement every day. So this is how the home came into picture. So every counseling there was a line that she used to say, "Ki now I am getting more hope on my life and I am trying to be more hopeful." She also tackled her stress with a hobby which she did in her college days, which was crochet. And she started doing that again. And now every week she does at least 5 to 6 pieces of crochet. That helps her a lot. Moving to the next slide. Yeah, currently we are in her metabolic phase. We will also be moving soon in the growing phase as per the criteria which we have. Moving ahead. Yeah. So these are her plans for the foundation phase. If you see, it is very simple. So we started with thali peet, what she used to make at home. Chilla is there, chapati, basic bhakri meal. And then we changed her simple carbs to the complex carbs. It was a complete millet-based diet. She started liking jowar khichdi and ragi ka khichdi, and that was there in her meal. Then we also made the changes. The calories were the same, only the sources were different. So this was there was three plans in her foundation phase, and when we started with her mainline series, that is her workout and her meal, we moved towards the metabolic phase. So that you will see in the next slide. So moving to the next slide. Yeah, this is all about the weight training. So you can just go through it, have a look, and we'll move towards the next. Next slide, please. So as we know, she had an injury, so her joint stability. She was not able to do a proper step up in her first test, the fitness assessment what we have, and gradually her trainer Semosh helped her in every minute details, and now she is able to walk properly, she is able to run properly. That is what she achieved through a proper personalized sessions with Semosh. Moving ahead. Yeah, these are her specific stretches which he designed. So her body required few extra efforts, and that is what he designed in this way. Moving ahead. Yeah. This is her first metabolic fix plan. Again, it is a similar plan. We did not make more changes, but then this helped her a lot. The supplementations what we added, B12 and D, also helped her improve her energy levels, and the spacing of her meals was something which helped us. Moving ahead. Next slide, please. So we kept on introducing new grains in her meal. This was a point where we introduced quinoa. She was very fascinated with including new foods in her diet and experimenting. And as I also love experimenting, I was very happy that she is accepting this. And here we introduced quinoa, and she started liking that. So there was a grain change after every 2 weeks, what we started doing. Yeah, moving ahead. This was her fifth to seventh week's progress, wherein she actually started liking the workouts because she was a person, she never worked out in her life. And then when you start working out, we all know that how the environment here at Wildfit is, and then started enjoying that. Her social, um, what we say, energy was also triggered, and she started socializing at the uh, centers more. Moving ahead. again a similar kind of a meal plan where we have a millet. Here we introduced eggs for her. So she was a vegetarian, and in her household, hardly people ate any eggs or chicken. But the doctor had also told her to eat eggs. And once she shared with me कि डॉक्टर ने बोला था कि eggs खा सकते हैं, but I never tried. But if you suggest, I will try. So we started including boiled egg whites for her, and then she liked the flavor and the recipes what she was making. So this is how eggs were introduced, and now we've also introduced chicken in our meals, and she started loving non-veg food. So with the client's consent, we also introduced non-veg food in her diet. Moving ahead, yeah, next slide please. Okay. So yeah, herein we also introduced L-carnitine, which also helped us. There is a supplement stack which you can see. Magnesium is there, fat loss whey is there, Brahmi is there, inositol is there. All of this helped her journey, and she never gave up at this point. There are there was a point when she was like, "Ki, all of this is helping me, and you just let me know what should be included, what should be done from my side." The willingness that the client has did help us a lot in her journey, because we are there to counsel, we are there to help the person. But if the person is not going to be accepting, the acceptance matters. So here the client also showed a lot of acceptance and experimenting for that matter. And this is how we reached the stage what we are now. Moving ahead to the next slide. Yeah. So one important thing was seed cycling was included in her meals from day one, which has helped us for her periods on a regular basis. So now it has been around 4 months she has been getting regular periods, and this had never happened in her life. There were disturbances in her periods, and that also uh, caused a lot of issues in her life. For her anxiety is there, her depression was there, and that also was an issue during the pregnancy for her. So now she's getting her regular periods. She still gets stressed कि periods nahi aale, what can happen and all. But then she herself tells on the day when she gets her period, she is very happy. So a female getting her periods and that giving her happiness, for me also it was an achievement. This the entire process what was there for her, it helped her a lot. So you can see all her meal plans. We have had around 15 to 16 meal plans in last 5 to 6 months of duration, which were changed gradually. And yeah, that is about her meal plans. If we move ahead, we'll see her blood parameters also. Next slide. So this is her workout progress from March to mid-July. So you can see there was a gradual uh, progress in this, which was really great, because her trainer was very happy when she was able to progress in this way. Moving ahead, next slide, please. I have had a description of her blood parameters in the next slide, so you can just check that. Next. Next slide. Okay, so this is her 6 month progress summary. If you check. Next slide. So this is her blood parameters improvements. So this is what she was when she joined in, and in the month of July, what we got her blood test was this. There was a great improvement from HbA1c to her vitamin D, vitamin B, and every parameter what is mentioned. So looking at the reports, even she was motivated कि नहीं अभी we can do more work on my body, and there's a lot to achieve. Moving ahead. Okay, so this is her uh, progress what we have. So after irregular periods, there was a natural cycle without any medications, because she was a person, she had a journey of medication with a gynecologist, and after that getting irritated, she was like कि मैंने सब छोड़ दिया. And after that, just food, proper exercise, proper meals helped her to get her cycle back on track. So she's more motivated and she's continuing this journey, and she's still with us as a client. Her energy levels have improved. Her outfit sizing, for a human, the outfit is something which is very important. And from double XL to M, her clothing size also changed. So she was super happy because on her birthday she went to take a dress and she just texted me from there की सुहासिनी XL वरून M वरती आलोय आपण, and I am very happy. So her recent birthday was there in July, and then she was very happy. She was like, this was something which I was wanting from a lot of time. Reaching that size and wearing a dress in a particular way, a bodycon dress which is there. Every female has that thing. We need to look at ourselves in a particular dress. So that happened. Her gut was stabilized. No more acidity, bloating, and constipation. Her mobility also improved. So this was all about her journey, and now she's very confident. She's joined a dance class. She's continuing her work and everything. At the end of the day, she just said one thing: कि all of this is not just for me, but it is for my daughter, because her daughter is 8-year-old and she wants to be a 60-year-old mother to experience everything for her daughter and with her daughter. So this was about Meghna ma'am's journey. If we move ahead, we'll see a few neat pictures. And yeah, the meal pictures are very simple. So if you just look at it, it is nothing but what we eat at home. And as every nutritionist says, the portion size is the trigger point. What you eat is definitely important, but what portion you're putting into your body, is it actually necessary for your body? So we tend to make a particular nutrient a hero or a villain, but here everything depends on portion. That is what understanding if the client has, so then that gives you great results. So yeah, the last picture is there. There is her review and a picture with me and the trainer. This was a review, and I was quite amazed to see a 2 pages review, because this was the first time I saw a review this big, and this was an achievement for me also. So moving ahead, this is her trainer and her nutritionist. Thank you so much for being patient at this time.